guys are never going to believe what we found. Okay, besides the drive-through liquor store, drive-through liquor store is amazing. We never fit through drive-through, so we were like, we turned around to go through that actually. Look what we found. Can you tell I'm excited? Pistol, come on, girl. This is it Limestone Lake? Just south of Dallas.
What, 2 hours south?
Yeah.
2 hours south of Dallas, and it's a county park, I think, or something.
Yeah. Look at this.
We went to the website, and it says camping is allowed, just no campfires.
It's free. This is free.
There's nobody
and there
here.
is not a single person here.
We're in the middle of Texas, all farm country, ranch country. The town we just went through is population 200 and something.
Yeah.
Where the barn was. It's just nice to be just kind of remote sometimes, most of the time. Every car we drove by, which wasn't many, everyone waves. I love small town America.
Yeah. Seriously.
And I love camping by water for free.
Yes. Let's check it out.
Crystal wants some dinner.
I know.
Excuse me, I haven't eaten dinner yet.
Come on, girl. No.
All right.
Wow. Oh, there's lots of little shells. Cool. Sunset tonight. Man, that wind is cold. That sun, it's not summertime yet, y'all. Oh, I'm ready to relax. Maybe we can get the oven out and I can bake some biscuits. A viewer commented a few videos ago when we were baking. Oh, when we baked the cookies. He mentioned he had such good memories baking biscuits, and now I've had biscuits on the brain ever since. So I'm gonna see if I can't get a recipe and make some biscuits. Maybe in the morning we'll do biscuits.
Oh, we should do requests. Comment below what you think we should cook in the oven next.
Well, this could get interesting. Seriously, do it. This will be fun.
No guarantees.
It's a dinner time, girl. Okay. Good morning. We're headed out of Limestone Lake this morning. The sun's shining. It got cold. We stayed 2 nights here because, come on, look. And it's free. How could you pass that up? Now, the first night we were here, a ranger did stop by. It was probably 5:30. Sun was going down.
It was just after sunset, yeah. Because
Yeah.
I mentioned I had lifted the drone up and kind of got the sunset in the van and talked to her. She said, "Yeah, you can just stay here." She said, "I'm surprised you knew about it. You're from Oregon. How would you ever find? You're out in the middle of nowhere. How did you find this place?" And I explained how we find it with the apps and stuff.
Yeah, so this is on the iOverlander app.
And Allstays.
Not, well, there's 3 spots around this lake. This particular one is not on Allstays, but there's 2 on the northwest side that are on Allstays. So this
Right.
one is on iOverlander.
We didn't go anywhere around the lake to check out the other
We
spots.
didn't.
We just got here, parked, and said we're done for a couple days, and it was beautiful.
Alone the entire time, except during the day, a couple fishermen come and launch their boats and whatnot.
If it was, it only got into the mid-60s, so I didn't want to get the paddle boards out, but
Oh, that water's got to be cold.
I wouldn't mind coming back when it's warmer and checking it out. It is kind of a neat place.
Yeah, so yesterday we did break the oven out and we made homemade biscuits. Check it out.
What you doing, hon?
Buttermilk biscuits, here we go. Except I didn't have buttermilk, so actually there's a way to make buttermilk. I use cashew milk and apple cider vinegar. Let it sit to the side, and apparently kind of does the same thing as buttermilk. I've never made biscuits before, so.
That never stopped you from doing anything, baby.
No, and also I didn't have any baking soda. I had baking powder, which the recipe called for as well.
That might be an issue.
I just added a little extra baking powder. Is that how this works? I think this is looking good. I'm just gonna do this. And then I don't have a cutter, so I'm just gonna, it says 1 inch thick, maybe. That's too fat still. Is that about 1 inch?
Sure.
Okay. It's looking flaky. Flake's good. Let me think. I think this is gonna be real good.
What are you cutting that with?
Top of the salt shaker. It's not working like with precision, but it's looking good.
When was the last time we did anything with precision? I like how it's got the place for the salt holes.
Now, the recipe says they should be touching for ultimate rising capabilities. So, those look a little fat. Yeah, so let's see how this goes. Oh, man. Voila! Okay, trial by fire, right? They are pretty much the tiniest biscuits I've ever seen. Like, you can see how small they are. I'm having 2. I made them into a breakfast sandwich over here. And then this one I'm having with butter and honey. So, the taste is good though. The biscuits taste good.
There's something different, and it's obviously the baking soda. But it's not bad. It's just not.
Maybe they're not as fluffy. I actually thought they would get big and fat, but I guess I need to cut them bigger. That was too small of a thing, so. They're good though. Yep. Delicious. Biscuits were delicious, as you can see. We are, I don't know where we're westbound.
On back roads.
Yeah, we need to do some
Exploring.
laundry, and I need to do some updates on my computer, so we need to find some Wi-Fi.
We seem to enjoy our traveling so much more when we're exploring these back roads and these small towns that nobody goes to unless you're going there for a reason. People always take the main roads and pass through, but it seems like these small towns, unless you live there or going there to visit someone, there's no reason to go there. They're kind of off the beaten path, and we make some of the most neat discoveries and meet the neatest people when we do that. It's just cool.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, let's go.
Westbound.
Yep.